add your plain yogurt or sour cream together with softened butter. Then add your sugar and egg. We're then going to add our zucchini, which I have grated, and some grated cheese. Again, you can use carrots instead of zucchini, and you can use other cheeses that you like, but I find that the hard cheeses work the best. So mix everything together, and then we're going to add our salt and flour inside. You want to mix everything together one more time until the mixture becomes nice and sort of smooth and combines together, comes to one sort of piece, just like that. It's such an easy recipe, guys, especially if you've got a big family and you need to feed a lot of people and you want to make something quick and easy. Literally all in a bowl method. I'm using these different colored cupcakes. This recipe actually makes 8 muffins. So you want to just scoop about 1 large tablespoon into each cupcake, and they're going to rise so much, so you don't need to add any more. So this kind of is enough. Like a large tablespoon with extra hill there. Then you want to add extra cheese on top, and trust me, you do want to add that cheese. It adds something special, that crust on top that's super cheesy, and you know me, guys, I love my cheese, so can never have too much cheese. We're going to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes at around 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. And when they're done, they look like that. Your house is gonna smell incredible and so delicious and cheesy. Trust me, everyone's gonna love these. While they're hot, you want to leave them to cool down for just a little bit, but then you want to enjoy them while they're warm with a bit of butter. You can add whatever else that you want to add in there, and they're quite cheesy inside, very, very moist, very soft, and actually the sweetness from zucchini comes through really, really nice as well, and I love that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. These keep well up to 3 days, so you can just warm them up in a microwave and they will contain the moisture and will still be super soft. This is the second day that I'm showing you right now. Look how soft and spongy they are, and super airy, so cheesy and just light. Enjoy! Can't wait to see your muffins, guys.